Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to use your Amazon gift card to buy Apple products directly from Apple website. So this method, you need to go to amazon.com. Okay, let me show you my Amazon gift card first. So here you can see I have $90 of Amazon gift card. So if you have the physical Amazon gift card, you can redeem it here. And what I do is that in order to buy things on Apple website, you need to purchase Apple gift card. So in order to purchase things on Apple website, you cannot use Amazon gift card directly to purchase on Apple website. What you need to do is use the Amazon gift card to buy Apple or App Store gift card, and then you can use the Apple gift card to buy things on Apple's website. So what you need to do is type in Apple gift card and then you type in email delivery. Why we put email delivery? Because we only want to redeem it quickly and then we can purchase immediately. We don't want to wait for the gift card to be shipped and wait for like a few days or a week before we can get our hands on it. So what we do is choose the email delivery here. So once you purchase it, it will send that gift card code to your email, and you just use that gift card code and redeem in Apple website, and then you can purchase Apple product from there. So you can see they have various options here. So starting from $25 up to $200. You can even type your own amount if you want to. Let's say I do not want a $100 gift card, but I want, let's say, $95.5. So here, let's say the product I want to buy costs $95.5. And here the email you want to type in, whatever your email is, type it in there. Let's say mine is here, and then you can add a card. And what's great about this is that it's not like a normal product. For gift card, you don't have to pay any tax. Once you place the order, they will say here, typically it arrives within 5 minutes after you successfully complete your order. So let me show you my gift card I already purchased. So this one here. So I actually purchased two gift cards. One is $93, the other one is $100 gift card. Once you get this email from them, you will click on get your gift card. And it will show you the code here, and this code I already redeemed. You just select this code, copy it, and you go to apple.com and you log into your account. So you can see here I already purchased an Apple AirPod by using that gift card. This Apple AirPod cost me here $197.35, and all using only gift card. I don't use any of my credit card. Again, you can redeem more here. The gift card at the moment that you order, click on manage balance here and you click on redeem a gift card, allow. And here the code at the moment, but this code I already redeemed once, so if I click redeem it doesn't work. See here, the code has already been redeemed because I already used it to purchase the Apple AirPod. And if you ask me why would we do that if right now you can buy products on Amazon as well, the thing is that I want to make sure that it is a genuine product, and also if I buy it through Amazon, of course it's usually cheaper as well, but I cannot engrave it. If I buy directly from apple.com or Apple website, I can engrave my AirPod. You can see here. If I buy from Amazon, I can only get what I have. I cannot customize anything. That's why I would rather spend a little bit more, but to get what I want, like engraving here on my AirPod 3rd generation. And this is the way out if you have Amazon gift card but you wish to buy things on Apple website. It is not just AirPod, anything you wish to buy on Apple website, because after you redeem the gift card, it becomes your Apple's balance and you can buy anything, watch, AirPod, or even all accessories in there. You can buy anything there. So next time you won't be stuck with just Amazon gift card. You can use Amazon gift card to change it to Apple gift card and get whatever you want on Apple website. Okay, that's it guys. This is how you can use your Amazon gift card to buy products on Apple website. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe for more useful videos in the future. Have a great day guys. See you in the next video.